In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a before and after slider to Shopify. This is a great way to showcase transformations, comparisons, or product results directly on your store, and we'll walk through everything step by step. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store as you normally would. Once you're in the admin area, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This is where you manage your themes and how your storefront looks. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme at the top. Make sure you're working on the theme you actually want to edit. For many people, this will be the Dawn theme, but if you're using a different theme, that's perfectly fine. Next to your active theme, click on the option that says Edit Code. This will open the theme code editor in a new view. On the left-hand side of the code editor, you'll see a list of folders like Layout, Templates, Sections, and Snippets. Find and click on Sections. This is where we're going to create a brand new section file for the before and after slider. At the top of the Sections folder, click on the Add File icon. A small window will pop up asking for a name. In the name field, type beforeafter.liquid or the exact name indicated in your instructions, using dashes instead of spaces, and making sure the .liquid extension is included. Then confirm to create the file. You'll see a new empty file open in the main editor area. Now go to the link provided in the description of this video. That link contains the code you need for the slider. Open that page, select all of the code, and copy it. Once you've done that, return to your Shopify code editor, click inside the empty before-after file, and paste the code you just copied. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner to store your changes. Next, go back to the main theme area and click on Edit Theme to open the Visual Theme Editor. Here you can see your storefront preview. On the left, click on Add Section. In the search bar that appears, type before, after, Jaru, or the name you gave your section. You should see a section called Before After the After slider. Click on it to add it to your page. Once it's added, click on the new section in the left panel. You'll now see settings where you can upload your before and after images, add a main heading, and adjust things like spacing and padding so it fits your design. Take a moment to tweak these options until you're happy with how it looks. When you're done customizing, make sure to click Save in the top right corner. Your before and after slider is now live on your